Hey Nail Techs, it's Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com coming to you from my living room, and I'm about to do a little giveaway. I'm sending this big hefty bag full of amazing nail products to one lucky nail tech who happened to see my post and comment, not really comment, but tag other nail techs. I'm trying to create awareness for our 15th anniversary, birthday party, whatever you want to call it, coming up this July 2022 in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, which is why we're throwing in all of this good stuff about Gatlinburg. This is the Gatlinburg, Tennessee travel guide. Look how thick this is. You can't even get magazines this thick and heavy nowadays. Anyway, this is going in with the Winning Nail Techs bag of products, and this tells all kinds of good stuff about Gatlinburg. And then also this little travel guide with free ticket information, coupons, you name it, in there. And then a map of downtown Gatlinburg with all their little advertisers and whatnot. This folds out so that way you can see, if you're unfamiliar with Gatlinburg, you can see where the convention center and everything is located in conjunction to our, I think we have 7 or 9 host hotels this year. And if nail techs are driving, then here is a map of Tennessee. And most nail techs do drive because the Smokies, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, is within driving distance, like 12 hours of 22 different states. So you can make it a tax write-off family vacation and bring your family to the Smokies when you come. And I'm also throwing in one of my new little ventures. Look at this little sign. It's a vinyl, very heavy duty. You can't even bend it or break it. Sign. And honeys, no, you know we can all relate to this. When I saw this was a wrench. I had them change it into a polish bottle. And I'm like, isn't that awesome? So, and then this is like a little surprise present I'm putting in there too, which I don't want to show right now. So anyway, in a few minutes, I'm going to go onto my Facebook page where I'm going to just scroll through and just randomly, select one nail tech who's going to win this big, heavy bag of nail products. And I'm going to do this every month. And it could be on my Facebook page, could be on at Nail Tech Event on Instagram. It could be at Nail Tech Event on TikTok. It could be inside our private Smokies Nail group. Yep, go to the Nail Tech Event of the Smokies Facebook page. You can find our link to our private nail group for nail techs only. Check out all these amazing products. Anyway, so nail techs, yeah, and it could be inside the monthly newsletter that I send out every month. It's once a month. I don't wear you out with a bunch of, stupid stuff, but it's the Smokies Nail Mail, and that gets sent out monthly. And if you want to sign up for it, go to nailtechevent.com, and at the top is a little contact box. All we do is ask your name, your email, and your state. And no, we do not sell, share, or rent your private info to anyone else because I do not like to be bombarded with unnecessary emails that I didn't sign up for. So there. Anyway, nail techs, thank you so much. And I hope you can join us this July for our 15th birthday party. We're going to do a celebration at nailtechevent.com, Gatlinburg, Tennessee Convention Center. And hope you can join us. Peace out, nail techs.